Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you all know, recently the Sephora VIB Spring Summer Sale was on. So I went and splurged a lot and did a restock on many of the skincare and makeup that I use on a daily basis. At the same time, I went through some of the latest trends in the market, the new skincare, makeup, and I got so many of new products as well. And finally, my boxes are here. And as you can see, I have two huge boxes here because I got a lot of stuff. So I just wanted to go through all the products that I got and give you my recommendations on some of the skincare and makeup. Also, there are some fragrances and other stuff. If you want to see what all products I received, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so it's not gonna be in any particular order. Whatever I'm gonna find in the box, I'm gonna show it to you guys. So let's start with the shampoo and a conditioner. The one that I am using for years now is from Alterna, and this is the Caviar Anti-Aging Infinite Color Hold shampoo and conditioner. They work great on my hair and the color lasts for really long time on my hair. So I love this product, and they are all sulfates free. They are very good on the scalp, very gentle as well. So if you are in search of any shampoo and conditioner for your color treated hair, please do check them out. So the next thing is a hair mask, and this one is from Moroccan Oil, and it's the Intense Hydrating Hair Mask. And this is a great hydration mask for the hair. As you know, I have dry skin, I have dry hair as well, and plus they are color treated, and then I put so many heating tools on my hair, so I want to protect them. I use a hair mask every week on my hair, so this is a great hydration product if you want to check it out. Next thing, which is very essential for me, is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz leave-in conditioner spray. This is an amazing line from Briogeo, and this is in particular a great product for your hair. It gives the smoothing effect after you wash your hair because this is a leave-in conditioner, and it doesn't weigh your hair down. It is not at all oily or sticky. I use a tremendous amount of it every time I wash my hair, and it makes it smooth and shiny without weighing them down. So if you want to check this out. The next thing is this huge box from Dr. Dennis Gross. This time I've got a glow kit which is both for face as well as body. So as you guys know, I am acne prone skin, so I keep getting breakouts here and there. This is a chemical peel for your face which is very gentle and can be used on a daily basis. I've worked my way up to the extra strength, and I use this helps a lot to dry out the acne as well as to not get the scarring from the acne. So but it contains alcohol, so be careful. Probably use it maybe once or twice a week, and if your skin is able to bear it, then you can pretty much use it on a daily basis. It won't cause any damage. It's a bit drying onto the skin. Just be careful with that. And this time I also got the body exfoliant treatment. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I've heard great reviews about the body treatment as well, so I thought I will get a combo this time. I always get the face chemical peels every month as a stock because I use it a lot on my face and it works great. So if you want to check out something for your acne and scarring, then please check the extra strength Dr. Dennis peels. They work great. Then next comes the hydration. So when I'm using these acne products, most of the time my skin goes very dry. Naturally also my skin is very dry, and then if I'm using acne products on my skin, then it's going to make things worse. So I need to make sure that I have a good hydration system for my skin so that it doesn't show those rough dry patches on my skin, right? And a great product is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream. I can't tell you how great this product is. Whenever I see any dry patch on my skin, I just put this in the night, and in the morning it is so smooth. I can't even see the dry patch anymore. It is of tremendous hydration. So if you suffer from dry skin like me and want a good hydration, then you can check this out. It is not even that expensive. Next two products are from Laneige. One is a night sleeping mask. It is water based, and then I have the Laneige sleeping mask for the lips as well. This is a great hydration product for your lips. I put it every night onto my lips because it provides tremendous amount of hydration to your lips irrespective of the season. This is a great product. Also, this sleeping mask, this is great. It is very light on the skin, so once you're done with all your skincare in the night, just put a thin layer of this sleeping mask. It is very like almost like putting water on the face, but it provides tremendous amount of hydration all through the night, and in the morning you get that baby soft skin that you always want. So you can check this out as well. So the next product is for people who suffer from acne like me. So I get these Peace Out acne spot treatments. These are great. These are like small tiny dots that you can put anywhere you get a blemish and just go by the night. It is very transparent, so you can't even see, nobody can even make out that you're putting some kind of a treatment on your face, and it is very gentle, and it works great for a minor blemish here and there. So I always keep them in stock in my skincare routine. So the next thing is for eye. This is the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. I have heard great feedback about this eye cream, so I thought I would try it. I haven't tried it before. This is how it looks. I have heard great reviews about this eye cream, that it is very hydrating onto the skin. It is very important to take care of your eye area because with age it starts to show the lines very easily. I am somebody who uses makeup, so I need to be even more cautious with my eyes. So I'm definitely gonna try this and give you my feedback. The next product is from Tatcha. I was waiting for this to get my hands on because I love Tatcha as a brand. I have so many products from Tatcha that I use in my daily skincare routine. I think the brand is awesome and my skin works great with them. So they have recently come up with this fine silk powder, and I really wanted to check it out on my skin, so I finally got it. I will probably post a review of it sometime next week for you guys. So let's open the box. Oh, it looks so gorgeous in the box. I'm really excited to try this. If you have already tried it, please let me know how it worked out for you. I would love to hear that. The next product is again for acne prone skin. This is also a spot treatment. It is from Murad and it is the Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. This is also a great gentle treatment. I use it on like bigger cysts. If I get like a big pimple, sometimes they stay for weeks and weeks on my skin. So the other Peace Out spot treatment doesn't work on those kind of pimples, but this works great in that situation. So I always keep this in stock, always. Next thing is again from Peace Out, and as you can see, I got like 4 boxes from them. These are their wrinkle dissolving micro needling patches. These are great. So if you're seeing any kind of fine line on your face, like a smile line or 11s or under your eyes or anywhere where you want a quick fix, because you know with age you are bound to have those kind of lines, but if it bothers and if you can do something to resist it, I would definitely recommend checking this out. I see a difference the next morning. As soon as I put it in the night, the next morning I can definitely see a difference. I always keep them in stock because they help a lot with those small lines that you see here and there. So I wanted to try something new for a body illuminator because it's summertime, and I saw this new product. It had no reviews on Sephora at that time, from Morphe, but it was not at all expensive. It's like $16 or something. So I got this. Let's quickly check how it looks. So it comes in a small tube, and let's try putting it just to see how it works out. It's gonna take very tiny amount because I don't want to put too much makeup. Oh, it is very nice golden. Oh, it looks very pretty. I don't know if camera is showing it, but it has a very beautiful golden shine to it. We put some more so it's visible to you guys, but up close I can see a beautiful shine. It will look beautiful in the sun. I wanted this because I wear a lot of off-shoulder tops in summer and I love this kind of a beautiful illuminator to the skin. I think it's definitely something that you will see how beautiful it looks. I think it's gonna look great in the sun. So if you want to have a illuminator, definitely check this out. Next thing is sheet mask. I can't live without sheet mask, and usually I either go for hydrating mask or I go for brightening mask because of my acne. So one of my favorites is Tatcha. I already used one of them last night, so I did a restock. I always have them in my skincare routine because they are so hydrating and the skin looks so nice the next morning when you use it. And also I got few from Dr. Jart, these ones. These are the cryo rubber brightening vitamin C mask. These are beautiful on. Anyway, Dr. Jart is a great brand. I use so many of their products as well, and this is to die for. I always have these in stock, so I got like 4 because it was on discount. I know I've went through a lot of products, just bear with me. I think I have come down to the last product, and it's the perfume that I was waiting for. It's the perfume Aqua from Giorgio Armani. Let me open the box and show it to you guys. I got the full size because I've already tried it in the past, and this is one of my favorite perfumes. This is how it looks. Oh, it looks so nice, right? And this is a great perfume for spring and summertime. Usually for spring and summertime, I want a fragrance which is very clean and fresh. And my vibe is more floral. I go for floral perfumes. So let me give you a reference. If you're a fan of D&G Light Blue, then you will definitely love this as well. It is very similar to it, but it has more of a floral, fresh vibe to it. And this stays for a long time on my skin. I can smell it pretty much all throughout the day, and I love that. It's not an evening perfume, this is more of a daytime perfume, but I think it's a must-have for spring and summer, so please do check it out. Again, this is the Aqua from Giorgio Armani. Alright guys, so I'm all done with the products that I've got from Sephora, and as you can see, I had a lot of products from them, from hair to skincare to makeup to perfume, so many things. I hope you found this video helpful, especially if you are a similar skin type. I have a very dry skin which is acne prone as well. So as you could see, I have a lot of acne treatments. At the same time, I also have products to protect our skin. I'm in my 30s, so I really make sure to hydrate my skin really well and also have like a anti-wrinkle treatment with me. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And until next time.